Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Liana Nusaputri from Chemistry C. Here I will discuss about aeration, water treatment, and coagulation. Aeration is the process of contacting or touching water and oxygen with holes for oxygen to enter. Oxygen is very reactive because it enters periodic group 6 when it binds with 2 free electrons. Aeration serves to increases dissolved oxygen so that the ions are good in the water and can be drunk. Aeration is divided into two types, namely natural aeration and artificial aeration. Natural aeration is when the water levels in the river, which is a sign the trees are a lot of fish and the dissolved oxygen is very large. Therefore, it is favored by many biota. Then, artificial aeration, namely in the aquarium, there is an aerator that pumps air into the aquarium. If the aerator is turned off for a day, the water will be coldly and the fish will die. This is because oxygen in the aquarium is reduced because there is not air entering. Aeration is of great benefit to the beach waves. On the beach, the sand is in the form of fine grains derived from seawater, which has a lot of ions. When it encounters dissolved oxygen from the aeration process in the waves, when dissolved oxygen is high, it's not only marine life that benefit, but it causes minerals in the sea to form their oxides. The formed solid are small and will make the previously soluble compounds become insoluble because they change shape. The compound becomes a solid form, and then the appearance of sand in the sea. In wastewater treatment, if there is nothing else to filter, the microba will decompose organic compounds by contacting oxygen, and they will settle a membrane diffuser for pumping air surface to help water circulation. It uses an aerobic diffuser to provide high oxygen transfer rates and a more efficient system. Alum with the chemical formula is used to treat dirty water to become clear. Collected a sample of dirty water from urban areas, then processed, divide the water sample into containers. Then when the container is given alum, concentrated stirring here serves to make it settle faster. It can be seen the comparison of the two containers. The containers that was given alum was clear than the container that was not given alum. After filtering the container with alum, it can be seen more clearly like clean water. Alum works has the potential to agglomerate dirty. Previously, the colloid system always refills because the charge is the same, so it is still coldly. Then, when given a coagulant to settle, the coagulant is able to change from a set of repulsion to attraction. Now this can be done in layers, namely layer 1 being attracted, then layer 2 being attracted, and so on until it settles. There are various kinds of water treatment. Some are to be discharged into the environment, and some are for drinking water. Be more carefully in process it. Fisher water, industrial water. Water treatment stage 1. Water is screened as it enters the container from filtration. 2. Coagulation. Coagulation, flocculation, after being given alum or coagulants with the help or stretching, the interaction will settle more easily. 3. Clarification or sedimentation, that it enters the sedimentation basin and moves very slowly so that it can be deposited. 4. Filtration. Filtering, usually there is also called a slow sand filter. Sand is fast, then the water is made very slowly. The function of the sand is to bind with absorption event. Next, coagulation. Coagulation is the adding to chemical to disrupt the electrostatic force of non-precipitating solid. Coagulant chemicals usually have a positive charge which binds to the negatively charged particles in the water, neutralizing them and allowing them to close to form small clumps of particles called microflux. In most cases, the chemical reaction occurs in the fraction of a second, so it is important that the coagulant is dispersed quickly and evenly to promote collision of the many particles as possible, because this process is dependent on chemical reaction. Some consideration must be made of the temperature of the water. Cold water usually slows the coagulation and flocculation reaction, which may require more time to achieve optimal floc formation. Extremely high or low pH values will also interfere with the process. Coagulant effectiveness is highly pH dependent. For some coagulant, alkalinity is a factor. For operator may need to increase the validity of coagulation to be effective when using iron or aluminum coagulants, which can consume alkalinity and suppress pH when added to low alkalinity water. Turbidity is low important. The lower the turbidity, the harder it is to form the right harder. The most commonly used coagulant chemical is aluminum sulfate, which is commonly called alum when added to water. Alum from jelly like aluminum hydroxide particles, trivalent aluminum ion neutralize and adhere to negatively charged particles in water, forming alum microsports. Their works based in the pH range of 5 to 7.5 polyaluminum chloride and ferrous salt such as ferric chloride and ferrous sulfate are also used. They offer a wider pH range. In addition, coagulant and flocculation aids are added to enhance binding, wielding a stranger and more easily participate flux and flocculation effect by increasing the strength of floc ace and floc density. In addition of low temperature by reducing the amount of coagulation reduce rate and reducing the amount of solute produced. Commonly used coagulation aids include cationic polymers, defined as synthetic compound with a molecular weight of 10 GGI that consists of differing chemical units or monomers. Polymer can be fully electrolytic, such as water-soluble flocculation, water-insoluble ion exchange, research, or insoluble uncharged material. Polymers are long chains and molecules that produce highly charged ions and help bind microflux into large flux particles. They are very popular with operators because they are very active and can be positively, negatively, or neutrally charged, providing a lot flexibility under different circumstances.